Hey everyone, this is Chris at Cryptocurrent, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a really cool way to generate passive income using crypto. So normally the main way that people are generating passive income within crypto is through staking, right? So they'll stake their ETH or their Bitcoin or their Tether, and they'll be making anywhere from around 3 to 12% returns annually. However, I've found a different way to have your crypto generate passive income for you at a much higher percentage than traditional staking. So here, if we go ahead and go to the exchange called QCoin, which is a very reputable exchange. It has one of the highest volumes in all of crypto, and it's also been around for around 6 years or 7 years. It's a public company, so the CEOs are, well-known people, and it's pretty trustworthy. Anyway, so if we come along onto this platform, they have a certain type of feature called crypto lending, right? And what this crypto lending is that you give loans to other individuals, so it's peer-to-peer. You give loans to other individuals, your crypto, or your USDT, Bitcoin, Ether, whatever. You lend it out, and then you make a return on it with interest. And that interest rate depends on the funding rates that are going on at the current time. So right now, the current funding rates are 0.062% daily or 22% yearly. And this fluctuates anywhere between, as you've seen up here, it says 12 to 300%. I've never seen it as high as 300%, but I have seen it as high as like 45%, 50%, on incredibly bullish days where people are really looking to leverage their money. But yeah, so the annualized rate is right here. And what you do is that you deposit your USD Tether onto this exchange, QCoin, and then you can go ahead and automatically lend it out. And QCoin will take your money, find someone who's looking to borrow that capital, lend it out to them, and then they will repay you after a certain term. So either after 7 days, after 14 days, or after 28 days with the interest. So this is a really cool way to generate passive income if you're holding USD Tether and it's not really doing anything. And here I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you go ahead and click the auto lend. And this is the total assets I have right now, about $16,000. And in the reserved amount, you're going to put how much you want to keep for yourself on your exchange. And right now I'm not doing any trading with my Tether, so I can go ahead and punch in 0 because I don't need any Tether right now and I want to lend all of it out. And I'm okay with all of these terms, whichever one that QCoin can find me, I'll go ahead and accept it. And the minimum daily rate, right now it's 0.065, so I'm going to go ahead and put it a little bit lower, so it'll go 0.0, let's say 4, which would be a 15% APY, which is pretty high still anyways, but that's the minimum I'll be taking for it. And then you go ahead and click on Enable Auto Lend. So now, once you've lent out your money, you can scroll down a little bit and you'll likely have open orders here, right? So you'll have your money waiting for, or you'll have your loans waiting to be taken up. Currently, all of my loans have been taken up. And if we go here and click on the unsettled, this is how much is currently loaned out, right? From that $16,000, the interest rate at which it's being lent out at, and the interest it's accumulated since I've lent it out. Over here at settled, we can see which ones have been settled and the interest rate or the amount of interest that's been paid back to me, right? So over time, you will be generating this, somewhere close to this number per year. And then if you want to check out the total value or just the total kind of overall lending portfolio, you just go ahead and click on my lendings. And here it'll show you this is how much you have, this is how many assets you have on the lending platform, this is how much realized profit you've made, and this is how much the accrued interest your account holds. So currently, I've only been on this exchange I've only been lending out my USD Tether for about a day, a little less than a day, and I've already generated about $4 worth of interest, which is pretty significant, right, compared to all the other lending and staking platforms or options you have out there. But anyways, at the end of the day, you are depositing your crypto onto an exchange which, whether you like it or not, could one day be hacked. It's not very likely that huge exchanges like QCoin or Binance or Bittrex or any of those big name exchanges get hacked, but it's a possibility, right? Not your keys, not your crypto. However, there's a trade-off, right? So whether you want to make some passive income with your crypto or whether you want it to just sit in cold storage and do nothing. Personally, I would like to have a portion of my cryptos generating me passive income over time, especially if it's with a reputable exchange like QCoin. Anyways, this was a quick little demo on how to lend out your money and make anywhere from 20 to 45% APY on your Tether on QCoin. And it's a lot better than most other staking platforms and lending platforms. So if you enjoyed the video or if you like the content, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.